Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, OpenAI has released their new open weight reasoning model and its name is GPT OSS, and they have released two variants. One is this 120 billion, another one is this 20 billion. And guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can use this model by installing locally, and also without install you can use this model. So for that, stay with me till the end. Here you see that they have given these benchmarks, and if you see that this model is not only for the reasoning purpose, this model have the coding capability also. If you see this code forces comparison, this is the benchmarks, and on this ELO rating code forces competition, this GPT OSS 120 billion model with tools and without tools, it is scoring 2622 and 2463. But you see that this O3 mini, which is a closed source model, it is scoring only 2073, and it is also without tools. So that means you can understand that this open weight model have the capability to beat the closed source model of OpenAI. And they have also written these things that we are releasing GPT OSS 120 billion and 20 billion, two state of the art open weight language models that deliver strong real world performance at low cost, and available under the flexible Apache 2.0 license. That means it is completely free and open source, and these models outperform similarly sized open models on reasoning tasks, demonstrate strong tool use capabilities, and are optimized for efficient deployment on consumer hardware. That means it is a production ready model. And if you go to this Olama, there you will find these things that this model have this tool call ability and thinking ability. And the problem is that if you want to run this model locally, in that case you need a high memory laptop. Okay, so this 120 billion model size is around, if I show you, it is around 65 GB. So for that you need a high configuration, high memory laptop. But for this 20 billion, if you see that for this 20 billion the size is around 14 GB. So if you have a 12 to 16 GB laptop, then in that case you will be able to do that. Okay, and the command is simple. This Olama run GPT OSS 20 billion, just select it and run it on the CMD. Now the thing is that if you don't want to install, okay, then in that case you can go with the open router. And another website that they have published is this gpt-oss.com. I have given this link in description. So this is a GPT OSS playground, and there you can try both of these two model, and also you can set this reasoning level high, medium, low. Here you see. So if I click on this checkbox show reasoning, then it will not show you that this model is thinking. But if I click on this checkbox, then you will see actually that how this model is thinking. So currently I have given this reasoning level as high, and now I have selected this GPT OSS 120 billion. Now I will test this model. And also if you click on this download button, you will see that on Hugging Face they have this comment. Okay, and for this Olama they have this command, Olama pull and Olama run, and for this LM studio also the same thing. Okay, now without install we will use this model. So I have selected this 120 billion and reasoning level is high. Now what I'll do, so I have asked ChatGPT to generate some medium to hard level reasoning question to test this model. Here you see that I have some logical reasoning question, and also I have this common sense plus casual reasoning question, and plus multi-hop reasoning, means chain of thought question, abstract and pattern reasoning question. So I will test this model with each and every reasoning and also some coding question, and we will see that how much capability it has. Because if it can generate the correct answer, then we can easily use this model without going further to that closed source model, without paying to that model, right? Now test this first question. So just copy this, and here you see that the answer is no. Okay, and now let's paste it here, and now press enter. Now let's see that what answer this model is giving. So here you see that this is thinking, and yes, we got this answer no. So that means we got the correct answer. So now let's go to the next question. Copy this question and let's go here, paste it. The answer should be You see that answer should be 6 p.m. Okay, and okay, 6:36 p.m. and let's see, yes, 6:36 p.m. answer should be 6:36 p.m. This one is the correct answer. Here you see, means this open source model is giving the correct answer. And if you see that Sam Altman has given a big long post that GPT OSS is a big deal. It is state of the art open weight reasoning model with strong real world performance comparable to O4 mini. Okay, that you can run locally on your own computer or phone with the smaller size. We believe this is the best and most usable open weight model in the world. We are excited to make this model the result of billions of dollars of research available to the world to get AI into the hands of most people possible, because most people cannot afford the OpenAI models. If you see that O4 models, O3 models, their cost is very high. So if this small model can give you the best performance, then many people can afford it and many people will make the AI more better. Here you see GPT OSS 120 billion performs about as well as O3 on challenging health issues. We have worked hard to mitigate the most serious safety issues, especially around biosecurity. GPT OSS models perform comparably to our frontier models on internal safety benchmarks. And here you see, we believe in individual empowerment. Although we believe most people will want to use a convenient service like ChatGPT, people should be able to directly control and modify their own AI when they need to, and the privacy benefits are obvious. So if you can use this model in locally, then your privacy will remain conserved. And here you see, OpenAI mission is to ensure AGI that benefits all of humanity. To that end, we are excited for the world to be building on an OpenAI stack created in the United States based on democratic values, available for free to all for wide benefit. And now let's test some another questions. And here you see, zebra puzzle, who owns the fish? Classic Einstein zebra puzzle, who owns the fish? So copy it and the answer will be the German. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Okay, and paste it here and press enter. Okay, let's see, it is thinking. And yes, the German owns the fish. Okay, here you see, and you see that it is giving the details explanation, right? And yes, the German, it is the answer. And now here you see, so it is performing based on this reasoning question. And let's see this one, abstract and pattern reasoning sequence. So if I give this sequence, the next answer should be 23. Let's see. And remember one thing, that sometimes it may tell you that you have hit the limit. So in that case, what you will do, on the left hand side you will find one Hugging Face account sign up link. So please do the sign up through this Hugging Face, and in that case it will be unlimited free. Okay, how do you see that we got this answer 23 and it is the correct answer? Let's see. Yes, 23 is the correct answer. Now let's test some of the code output question so that we can be sure that it has that coding ability also. See that this is the output based question for the recursive function. So if I just copy this question, what will be the output? How do you see that output will be 15. Now let's see that if it can give that answer or not. Let's see. So it is thinking, thought for a couple of seconds, and after that the answer, where is that answer? Okay, it has given the step-by-step process, a non-recursive for one complexity version edge cases. Okay, now where is that answer? Where is that answer? Okay, it has given the answer. Yes, this one. Here you see mystery 5 and the answer is 15. And if you see that, yes, for the 5, mystery 5, the answer is 15. So we got the correct answer for this coding also. Okay, and this is the list mutability question on this Python list. And let's see. And the interesting thing is that it has thought for a couple of seconds. Okay, and within a couple of seconds it has thought and it is giving that answer. We got the correct answer, 1 1 and 1 1 2 2. Okay, I hope and that you have got the idea that how this open weight model GPT OSS have the capability to give the correct answer, and it has the capability to fight with the open, not open, with the closed source model, that O4 O3 mini, and also the other popular closed source model. So you should use this model, so please use it and let me know your thought, your experience in the comment section, that how this model is performing. And also don't forget to watch the other videos also that I published yesterday regarding this Google Genie 3 and this amazing VS Code feature, this Queen image. So on this channel you will find each and everything that is getting published in AI related things. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also, and all the links are given in description, so please go and check there.